Carlos, or whoever, Te amos Carlos. Don't carve your shit into rocks. That's rude. Nobody cares about your personal life. I'm gonna probably regret not bringing Samuel up here. Samuel, oh God, here's my DSLR. Samuel's sad that he's missing this. I'm sad that Samuel's missing this. We might have to come back up here tomorrow. Let's see what the other side looks like.
So cool.
We're gonna see what the other side looks like. I'm gonna catch my breath. This is what happens when chunky people exercise. It's not pretty. Okay, let's see what I got. Oh, guys, come over here. Tree, that's pretty. And the Illinois River with some pretty stuff and a thing. I'm gonna lift you up.
Where? Is that where it levers?
This thing. Oh God. Stand on this thing. Look at that little cloud reflecting. That one. I like that. That's really nice. Look at that view. That is awesome.
That's where we were earlier, wasn't it? Down there?
Yeah. Actually, yeah. I think we were. I don't know if it's like you can see all the way down. I'm gonna try to zoom my camera again and see if this works, because before it didn't do anything and it got all blurry and stupid. Oh, now it's working fine. I still don't think you can see the, oh, there's the bridge. And that island, well, you can't really see it, but there, that's the island with all of the eagles. As you can see, this says stuff about eagles. Yeah. I don't think we can go over there though. Can we go over there?
No, it's closed.
Oh.
It's not open for the public.
For the publics. I wonder if you can like use a telephoto lens to see any of the eagles over there.
I bet you could.
I wonder, I should try. Is that, oh, there's the lodge right there, right? Straight ahead of us?
I think so. Or is that the visitor center where we just were?
Or the visitor. So I love these clouds, and as long as they go away before I have to take pictures of the Milky Way, I will be super happy. So pretty. It looks like an angel, like flying like Superman. It's like a Superman angel. Oh, it's so hot. It's so humid. It's like the tropics. And it was really nice when, oh look, we can do this, and oh look, I'm taking a selfie with the prettiness. But anyway, it was really nice when it rained and it got cool, but we don't obviously want it to rain in our tents, so I don't want any rain, so we'll have to just deal with heat. And look at that, look at it. It's amazing. Oops, there, now the horizon's straight. For you.
It's going, my foot's going. Or no.
Juice. Juice. I love how I'm like just
past the cemetery.
Petting zoo?
Like, well, that's what it was advertised was. It's just for shits and giggles. Like, the day we got in, we had loads of time to kill.
Yeah.
So we decided to roll through it, and like, it was the weirdest place. But like, it was very remote. So we get in off the main road, and 3 or 4
store.
No,
abandoned, stripped down cars, like buried in the greenery along the way. And we're like, oh my god.
Oh,
this is like Texas Chainsaw
that's
Massacre.
awesome.
And then we get up there and there's like a houseboat just parked up on there out of nowhere. And then we get up to where the petting zoo is and there's no one. Nothing. There's a bunch of animals in stalls, but we can't see people anywhere. And then we turn a bend and there's a stall with no animals in it, but at the back of the stall is nothing but out-of-state license plates all over the wall.
Oh,
So we're like, all right, we need to get the fuck out of here.
Oh, dude, that's amazing.
We're like,
That
how do
is-
we get out? It was so creepy. We were like, this is some, like, Rob Zombie, The Hills Have Eyes, House of a Thousand Corpses trying to set up here.
If I'm recording, there we go.
It's Sideshow Bob. Oh.
Holy crap, I don't think I was recording any of that other stuff, by the way. Okay, so
Sorry,
here's...
this is never gonna get old.
No, so you can kind of see the Milky Way in my camera. You really can't see it out there at all. There's Sideshow Bob, and what's the other one? This is very frightening. This is going to be quick because there's really no light, and
Mamma
it's
mia, mamma mia,
creepy.
Figaro. Magnifico. I feel like I'm backlighting you, but it's not.
It's not. It's not
me. For me.
Watch, the ranger comes out. What are you kids doing out there? All right, this is,
Milky Way.
we'll see everybody in the morning. Bye. There we go. There we go. Heading on the trail towards the canyons and the waterfalls, which is all about the waterfalls. And I think those are for eagles, because I don't know why else you would have a bunch of dead trees for no reason. I don't know how much of me you can see, but I am completely ready to document nature in all the ways. I have 2 cameras. These things, what do they call these things called? Binoculars, tripod, lenses, and neutral density filters. What else do I have? I have a flash, but I'm not planning on using it. That's where we just came from. It's getting pretty light. I'm not going to try to do this and walk at the same time.
Do we go up, I'm assuming, right? Or no?
Is there any more path that way?
Kind of, but I don't know. That looks sort of dangerous.
No, so yes, we're going to go up the Canyon of Death then. Or, ooh, pretty.
Oh, that's so pretty.
So when I said there was no waterfall, apparently I'm an idiot. You should shut up.
I mean, it's not raging super fast, but I bet you right after a big storm.
Yeah, I bet.
Wow.
Well, we
I know
probably...
the waterfall's not, well, we're really a waterfall at this point, but it still doesn't
It's a water
detract
trickle.
from the beauty.
Here, I'm gonna go across this and go across there. So guys, y'all gotta come over here. So the first waterfall, it's kind of trickly, but it's kind of pretty, and I really like the canyon, and I really like the stuff, so I'm gonna try to take a shot. Here we go. And that is St. Louis Falls. The best falls that we have seen today. But there's more interesting things in this canyon than just some falls, because, you know, falls, whatever. If you look right there, that hole right there, there's a tail of, yeah. Let me try that again. there's a tale of murder. Murder! Because, let me hold that up now. Because back, what was it, 1960? Back in 1960, 3 middle-aged women went hiking into this canyon and they never returned. Not alive. They found their bodies right there. All 3 of them. And they'd been, I believe, bludgeoned to death. And they finally didn't even know that they were here until their husbands noticed that they weren't at the lodge. Because they had come up here for a girls' weekend. And it turned out that a guy from the lodge was the one who supposedly killed them. And they caught him because they figured out that the twine he used to bind them together, he'd bound them up before he killed them, was the same twine that they used at the lodge. Dum, dum, dum. It was like CSI, old-fashioned version. So, supposedly this canyon is haunted by their, I assume by their spirits. Right?
I didn't read about the activity because I didn't want to know.
Oh, so we don't know about the activity yet, so we're not biased. In case we experience any, we can't attribute it to already knowing about it. So something happens over here, but we don't know what it is. I don't know if it's on the anniversary or what, but you can see that a lot of people are just sort of enjoying themselves, oblivious to the macabre history. Ha ha ha. And every little kid has been in this hole today. Like every little kid has been like, look, Mom, I'm in the hole! And I'm just like, that's where the dead bodies were, and you have no idea. And I don't know if you can hear me, I'm screaming because I'm trying to yell over the falls. See if we can zoom in to the falls. There's a bunch of crazy children. Of course, that's been, you know. Yeah, and apparently this is all like runoff from the farms that surround Starved Rock. So they're like bathing in chemicals, so that's fun. But apparently everybody does it, so I don't know. I'm tempted, but chemicals, you know. Anyway, so I didn't talk much on the hike because I was busy hiking and not holding this and falling down. So yeah, that's basically what we've been doing. So yeah, and they're eating, I think. Oh yeah, for more later.
Drag me up there. No.
Well, maybe.
Just drag me up there.
What if he actually ended up? What if they all came up here and like he bludgeoned them here and he didn't actually move the bodies?
No, because
How did they know?
The evidence pointed number 1 to them being dragged over here, and number 2, he actually went during his confession, his forced confession, said that the reason
What, you don't think he did it?
I do think he did it.
Oh. Okay.
I think.
Oh.
But he said that there was a plane flying overhead and he was afraid he would get seen.
Wouldn't it have been easier to just pull it in that way? Maybe? I don't know.
I mean, who knows?
I'm not a murderer. I don't know how I'm not a murderer yet. Let's put it that way. We did just come across a bunch of teenagers, so the night is young.
Wow. I'm feeling it really strong.
Oh, they're doing their ghost hunting thing. Let's zoom in on their ghost hunting thing. Oh, they're having some feelings. I don't know if I fully believe in feelings, but, you know. What's the matter?
Who wants to sit under there because she feels strong?
Is there a lot of nature there?
There's one big nature.
Nature, by the way, is code word for spiders. That's our way of telling her there's a spider there without her completely losing her shit.
There's a lot of nature right there. Okay.
Maybe that's why you're feeling the pull.
No.
It's the spiders trying to get you into their lair.
They're like, come hither.
I really want to go into some air conditioning. This is what the rest of the thing looks like. It's really pretty. There's like really high walls.
Yeah, I feel really well.
It was glaciers did this. This is like the only time you'll see cliffs in Illinois or hills or anything that isn't flat as a pancake. You look like you're trying to poop. You look like you're trying to poop.
I'm trying to be contemplative.
That's what she was doing. I like the contemplation.